So the National Guard has made huge strides to make one universal brand that all 54 states and territories can benefit from. And it goes a little more complicated than a certain swoosh or a certain yellow happy face. We want something that's identifiable all throughout the country. We want something that's identifiable by applicants everywhere. We want to be aligned with the United States Army. Even though we are a different military entity, we still want to be along those lines, that people can identify us and know what we are, what we do, and what our mission is. As marketing NCOs, by regulation, we do have to put our brand or our logo on all the promotional products that we have printed by vendors, whether they're t-shirts, lanyards, pencils, backpacks. By regulation, everything has to have our logo on there somewhere. It's important that we understand the branding guidelines so that our recruiters have the accurate product to give when they're going to high schools and colleges, when they're trying to recruit out in their communities. So we have to keep updated with all the changes, with all the updates that happen within the branding guidelines, so that they have the accurate information, the accurate swag to give out as well. Recruiter in the Field has one mission, and that's to recruit. It is our job to be the bridge between their mission and the mission of recruiting. So when there are those changes within the branding guidelines, within the logo, the look, the color, anything, we have to convey that message to the field as well. We do have those events where specific states may want to change. That's by human nature. People want to kind of put their little twang on certain things. But the problem is, if you had 54 states and territories doing their own little twang, now what you've done is you've diluted our message. You've diluted our logo. So maintaining a universal logo helps us be one military entity. So an applicant can live in Florida and start his process, but move to California and still feel like he's still joining the same entity and it's not a completely different military outfit. So this module is going to teach you how to use the Army National Guard branding guidelines, what it means, why it's important, and how you're going to benefit from it.